Professional tile contractors choose Fusion Pro, the patented single component grout. They count on unsurpassed stain-proof and color-perfect performance. That's why these tile pros use and recommend Fusion Pro. Fusion Pro performs.
The performance of Fusion Pro on projects has been great because once we've installed it, we can walk away and have the confidence it's going to perform long term.
The reason that we use Fusion Pro is because hands-on experience, it performs. Everything that a tile guy wants in a grout.
It was a Fusion Pro project, so at the end of the job, we cleaned it up, mopped everything, and we had no punch work on the grout or tile. It was a successful turnover on a high-end project.
Fusion Pro is stain-proof. Whether it's other trades coming in after the tile set or end users with household spills, Fusion Pro makes stains a thing of the past.
Being able to offer a ceramic tile installation with a grout that is impervious to staining has become a no-brainer. Nobody wants additional maintenance.
People come in during winter time with muddy boots on, and we can just clean it up, and it's stain-proof.
It doesn't stain. The colors are uniform. We have very little, if no, waste of the product.
Having technologies that keep up with the porcelain tile or ceramic tile manufacturers is critical.
Fusion Pro is color perfect. The color consistency of Fusion Pro is so exceptional, it's guaranteed to be perfect.
Fusion Pro gives us color consistency on a level that's unparalleled to any grouts that we've used in the past. We have the same color no matter what every time we install the Fusion Pro.
All the owners have been very happy with the color consistency, and it's easy to clean up.
And so we're finished with a project and we have very limited punch list items to take care of. That speaks volumes on the consistency of a product and the quality of the product.
Fusion Pro saves time and money. With no waiting, no wasted labor or materials, and no sealing required, Fusion Pro saves time and money.
The learning curve with the Fusion Pro was fast, and it was easier than we expected. It's as easy as grouting any other grout.
Fusion Pro is a great time saver in the field with our installation teams.
As soon as you let somebody know about the properties of the Fusion Pro, you don't need to sell it, it sells itself.
Fusion Pro not only saves you time, but it also saves you money. We're able to speed installs and provide better end products for our users.
Fusion Pro is proven. Fusion Pro has been used successfully on commercial projects of all sizes across the country. It has also been installed by each of these contractors in their own homes.
We have a wide range of projects where we've used Fusion Pro. We've done several military projects, some university, some healthcare projects.
We use Fusion Pro in every application that we used a traditional grout with in the past. We've used it in custom houses, remodel projects, new production houses, commercial dining rooms, car dealerships, retail spaces, restaurants, the list goes on and on.
They grouted the whole hospital, and it was flawless. There was no stains, no shading. We had great production, very little waste, and it was a very successful project. It should last them a lifetime.
Grout like a pro.
Myself and my employees are all Fusion Pros.
Our guys are Fusion Pros.
I'm a Fusion Pro.
For proven performance, grout like a pro with Fusion Pro, the single component grout, only from Custom Building Products.